Welcome, in this video we will learn how to tie the granny knot. It's a knot used for very small load on the ropes. It's used for connecting two ropes, but it's not very good. This knot sometimes is considered a wrong variation of the square knot. For making this knot, we take the two ropes that we want to link together, we put the left one over the right one, and we turn. Then we put again that one that is on the left over the right one. We do a simple knot again, and we pull. As you can see, now the knot is something like this, and it slips very easily. So it's used for package if we want just to use a very simple knot that has no strength, but you cannot use it for linking two ropes that are under a heavy load. For this video was everything. See ya.